You're seeing it more and more, AI bots working in business. AI bots handling mundane tasks behind the scenes. Well, in case you didn't know, AI won't just help you do your job. AI might just, replace your job. And by the time you notice, it could already be too late. Welcome back to the AI Connection, the show where I help you apply AI concepts to increase your business productivity. Listen, I have a friend who has years of experience as a video editor for movies. He's been credited with editing on several high-grossing and popular movies. He was in high demand. Now? He's having trouble finding jobs because his industry is being taken over by less expensive AI tools. In the past, films required a team of individuals to handle the camera work. Lighting, editing, and post-production were all handled by separate individuals. Even after moving to digital, editors worked tirelessly to complete scenes. Now, an AI bot can handle many of these tasks. Artificial intelligence has been growing at an insane rate, changing the way businesses operate and making many people wonder if it's going to replace them. We're seeing AI pop up in industries ranging from healthcare to finance, and it's no secret that this technology is powerful. That's why I discuss artificial intelligence and how to make it work for you. Its impact on the workforce, however, is a topic that's on everyone's mind. AI tools are no longer in beta, and they're not some geeky experiment hiding in a lab. 86% of CEOs say AI is a mainstream technology in their office. Businesses using AI report 40% higher productivity on average. Customer expectations are shifting, and they're shifting fast. People expect faster replies, smarter solutions, and 24/7 service. I've gone over how to enhance your business with artificial intelligence. But what about the people aspect? Businesses face some tough realities as they adopt AI technologies. One major issue is job displacement. When machines can do tasks more efficiently, it can be tough for employees to find their place. Then there's the skills gap. As AI takes over routine and repetitive tasks, the people who used to do them need to learn new skills to stay relevant. This isn't just about technology, it's about people and how they adapt to a changing world. Not doing so means you can lose good talent, or even lose out on business opportunities. Companies are having to rethink how they train and support their employees to make sure they're prepared for an AI-driven future. Let's break this into 5 key categories where AI is making the most impact. While AI is revolutionizing many fields, there are some where we see the most changes in how employees are being used. These are the ones that most affect you in your businesses. First off is customer support. I used to run a call center for a government agency. Our biggest challenge was always finding and retaining staff who could actually handle the pressure. Then there was the time and expense of training staff for the duties. And that was before we even got into the expense of the phone lines, computers, and call center software. I've talked about this before. Those customer support agents are becoming obsolete. AI chatbots like Intercom, Tidio, and ChatGPT plugins are handling many customer support tasks. Those chatbots can handle many other tasks also. Whereas you had junior-level clerks writing FAQs, you now have AI doing FAQ automation. Instead of hiring a clerk for customer service, the AI can answer questions and direct customer orders. Of course, with chatbots, these bots can take care of customer support 24 hours a day across time zones without downtime. For example, a small e-commerce brand switched to AI-powered support and reduced support costs by 70% while increasing customer satisfaction. That's fantastic for the customers, not so much for the displaced agents. Next is marketing and content creation. AI tools like Jasper, WriteSonic, and ChatGPT are being used to write blogs. These tools are making content creation faster, easier, and more scalable than ever before. Instead of spending hours outlining, drafting, and editing, bloggers and marketers can now generate well-structured articles in minutes using natural language prompts. These tools help brainstorm ideas, craft headlines, write SEO-optimized posts, and even adapt tone and style to match a brand's voice. All without a person actually needing to craft the posts. They can generate ad copy without taking a break. They can help people like me brainstorm and refine a video script. The output is basic but can be refined very quickly and easily. With these powerful AI tools, businesses can now generate compelling ad copy, blog posts, emails, and product descriptions in seconds. Copywriters using AI tools create content 3 times faster than those not using AI. These tools analyze massive amounts of data to understand tone, audience behavior, and SEO trends, enabling hyper-personalized messaging at scale. What once took a team of writers and hours of brainstorming can now be done by a single person with an AI prompt. Agencies are already cutting costs and keeping just one strategist while AI does the heavy lifting. That's fantastic for the customers. Not so good for the displaced workers who have to find a new job. Now let's look at the process of generating leads. The first step in selling any product is finding leads. AI-powered tools like Apollo, Clay, and Phantom Buster are redefining outbound marketing. Instead of manually scraping data or sending out generic cold emails, these tools automate the entire outreach process, from sourcing high-quality leads to personalizing messages at scale. Clay can enrich contact data using hundreds of integrations, and doing it completely hands-off. Phantom Buster can extract valuable prospect info from platforms like LinkedIn, and Apollo uses AI to optimize outreach timing and messaging. Together, they enable startups and marketers to build hyper-personalized, data-driven outbound campaigns that actually convert, all with a fraction of the time and effort traditional methods require. These tools automate the entire cold outreach process, from scraping leads to sending highly personalized emails, all without human input once it's set up. Solopreneurs and agencies can now run high-touch outreach campaigns that look handcrafted, but in actuality are completely automated. Conversion rates are increasing because AI makes messages feel real, not robotic. Even in finance, AI algorithms are making trades and managing portfolios. Tools like QuickBooks AI and Vic.ai auto-classify transactions, generate reports, and even detect fraud before you notice it. For example, data entry clerks, telemarketing jobs, and even some financial analyst positions are on the list of jobs that are being automated. Jobs like data entry clerks, financial analysts, and telemarketers are increasingly being automated. As AI systems become more advanced and cost-effective, repetitive, rule-based tasks that once required human attention, like entering invoice details, reviewing spreadsheets, or making cold calls, can now be handled faster and more accurately by AI tools. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Software is replacing data entry roles. AI-driven financial platforms are analyzing markets and generating insights in seconds, and intelligent voice bots are handling telemarketing with scripted precision. As businesses seek to cut costs and boost efficiency, these roles are among the first to be downsized or redefined, signaling a major shift in the workforce as machines take over the most routine parts of white-collar work. Finally, there is the effect of AI on the operations and the automation areas. AI is dramatically reshaping business operations and automation by streamlining workflows, reducing manual tasks, and boosting efficiency across departments. From intelligent scheduling and inventory management to automated customer service and predictive analytics, AI tools can now handle routine processes with speed and precision. Companies implementing tools like Zapier and OpenAI are able to generate instant email replies, streamline their once manual invoice creation and processing, and they can reduce the headache of their onboarding processes. Zapier acts as the glue between hundreds of apps, allowing teams to connect platforms like Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, and CRMs without writing code. When combined with OpenAI's powerful language models, businesses can automatically generate email responses, summarize reports, draft customer messages, and even trigger smart workflows based on AI-driven analysis. This shift allows businesses, especially lean teams and solopreneurs, to scale faster, minimize errors, and make data-driven decisions in real time, ultimately transforming how organizations operate behind the scenes. Your team of AI bots may become so good you won't need to hire as many staff. Say goodbye to the HR department. This blend of automation and intelligence not only reduces manual workload, but also speeds up decision-making, improves accuracy, and allows small teams to operate with the efficiency of much larger organizations. As this list shows, it's clear that AI is changing the job market in a big way. This shift already happened in recent memory. One company that comes to mind is Blockbuster. You might remember them as the go-to place for movie rentals. But when Netflix came along with its streaming service, Blockbuster didn't adapt quickly enough. They had the chance to buy Netflix, but they passed. Today, Blockbuster is a memory, and Netflix is a household name. This story serves as a reminder of how quickly things can change when new technology emerges. Businesses that don't adapt to the new AI paradigm risk being left behind, and those that do often reduce their workforce. This is good for customers, as hopefully costs go down. But it is devastating to the displaced workers. For example, copywriting agencies may have operated with 10 writers. Now? They'll have 2 who basically edit what the AI generated. For solopreneurs like me, this is fantastic. Tools written from AI agents can handle calendars, they can respond to emails, and organize my workload. I don't need a secretary anymore. So what will happen? I foresee workers again shifting roles. Do you know anyone who works as a telephone switchboard operator? No, I don't either. That job is long gone, but there are tons of companies and jobs for people designing and maintaining digital telecom networks. Here's the moment that should wake you up. AI is replacing the process, not the people. Sure, some jobs, like my friend's movie editing gig, are disappearing, but his skills can easily be transitioned into other roles which are in demand. He could be an AI video workflow specialist. He could become a creative consultant for AI-powered editing tools. The human touch, at least for now, will still be needed. The businesses thriving today aren't fighting AI, they're learning to team up with it. AI can analyze data, generate drafts, or automate tasks, but it lacks the empathy, judgment, and personal touch that humans bring to complex situations. Some examples of businesses using AI successfully are the restaurant using AI to predict demand and reduce waste. For example, if the AI predicts low demand for a Tuesday lunch shift, the kitchen can scale back on perishable ingredients, helping reduce spoilage. The law firm using AI to draft contracts in minutes, saving thousands in employee salaries, and getting work back to the clients faster. Tools like Casetext, Harvey, and Lexis Plus AI can sift through thousands of case files in seconds, highlight relevant precedents, and even draft legal arguments. These AI-powered tools can handle time-consuming, repetitive tasks like legal research, contract review, document analysis, and e-discovery much faster than human paralegals or junior associates, reducing billable hours for low-value work. The Shopify store using AI to write product descriptions and A/B test them daily to further enhance sales. You don't have to be technical to win. Let's take a look at my friend, the film editor. His skills are handling rough cuts, syncing dailies, and organizing footage. He can absolutely transition into new in-demand roles by leveraging both his experience and emerging AI tools. He could become an AI video workflow specialist. He could become a creative consultant for AI-powered editing tools. He could move into a YouTube content channel editor plus strategist. Or he could become an AI-powered course creator or educator. The traditional jobs are disappearing, but new ones are thriving. You can take on a new role. You just have to be willing. Okay, I've gone over a lot. Let's recap. AI is no longer the future. It's the present. It is here and here to stay. It's already automating customer service. It's writing content faster than human teams. It's managing your time, your leads, even your finances. But you need to be aware of this part. If you don't start adapting, your job could be gone before you realize what hit you. But there's good news. If you do lean in now, you can compete, automate, grow, and work less. That's the edge AI gives you. But only if you use it. So here's where you come in ready to win. Pick one part of your business that feels slow, clunky, or expensive. Ask yourself, can AI help me do this better? Run a test. Measure the outcomes. Keep what works and makes you more productive. Because in 2025, the real unfair advantage isn't headcount or how hard you worked in the past. It is how fast you can learn to adapt to the new AI-powered world. Those who do will succeed beyond anyone's expectations. The goal isn't necessarily removing the team, it is about amplifying their productivity through AI. Though the work world is shifting, and people like my friend are losing their current jobs, entirely new careers are opening up to those who learn AI skills. No one hired an AI policy advisor 2 years ago, but they're becoming in demand. There are also conversational AI designers, AI data curators, and AI product manager positions being created. Don't wait for permission to start learning. Just start today. Your future self will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, watch the next video on how AI can save your small business money. And let me know in the comments, has your career been impacted by artificial intelligence?